Bye, girls.
Now she wants a reward for being a good girl.
See you later. Where are we off to, Sam?
The Garden Plate.
What's that?
It's one of the best vegetarian / vegan restaurants in the world.
I have to go.
Tuesday morning, me and my friends, a couple of mates from school, we go running and we just run for like 5 kilometers and then we die. With school it's so easy to hang out with your friends just because like you're like around them like 5 days a week, so we thought that having a like set time and place every week that we meet up and something specific, doing something specific together would be really good. So our aim at the moment is there's this big like walk in Byron Bay. It's called the Lighthouse Walk and it's really steep and really long. So our goal at the moment, besides hanging out together and stuff, is getting our fitness levels up to a point where we can do that run together, which will be nice.
Run the whole way up, all the way up to the lighthouse.
Yep.
Oh my
Do
gosh.
everything without walking or anything like that. Yeah, so
You're gonna have to wait till like next winter to do that because you'd die if you did it in summer.
yeah, that's true. Or we could do it at night because the lighthouse will give us light.
Or you could do it like in the afternoon or something, and then go and like do the whole like up to the lighthouse and then back down the other side and go to Little Watergoes and just jump in the ocean.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool actually.
But that's a lot longer.
Yeah.
But going downhill's fine.
Yeah, but it's been really good hanging out with old friends and stuff. So yeah, instead of just saying, hey, is anyone free at this time? We made a set time that everyone's always free and stuff. And so we all hang out then. This morning we also had like a little worship service thing as well, which was really cool afterwards. Because Tim wanted me to show him this song that I've been kind of writing. It's only like a couple of lines at the moment. And so I showed him and the others, and it just kind of turned into a worship service that lasted like an hour and a half. Moving the trolley out of the way. Hopefully. Okay. 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 And then we'll move it properly when we get out. Good deal?
You mean you?
You.
Hello.
Oh, look at that.
You're so beautiful.
Good. Amy will take the carrots. I might keep one. And Amy, you want the broccoli for this?
Pardon?
Oh, that's that weird one. Let a python come out from underneath the hut and just
Scary.
slide across there. Lovely.
Cat hair all over me.
This is my outhouse built with old stuff.
Mm.
Everything in here is old. Including
Wow.
Yeah. My old toilet, old bucket with old bits of timber put together to form a seat.
Mhm.
The walls are built of old pallets.
Mhm.
This is a bit of old oilcloth that was given to me years ago. Some old signs that have been repurposed.
Nice.
Some old bits of fabric. An old table down here.
Where did you get all the old stuff from?
from their leftovers from people, and some of them, the pallets were washed up after the flood and lying around.
And you painted them yourself?
Yes, with old paint.
Oh.
Oh, and this is an old skipping rope holding up my curtain, which is probably an old sheet, but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's an old kitchen sink that was lying on the side of the road. Somebody found.
Wow.
Picked it up for me. This, my water container with the good little tap, is a reject from flood stuff. It was covered in flood mud, and my friend was throwing it out, so I rescued an old shower curtain.
Oh yeah.
That I'm using as a bit of a privacy screen, so that the neighbours don't have to look at my hair.
Yep.
And yeah, it does give me a bit of protection. Oh, and the roof is old corrugated iron.
It's in the perfect shape, isn't it?
Bamboo.
And this is a solar panel?
Yep, that's not old.
Itself, but put together.
My bike is an old bike, and the trailer, built by your granddad, is built from bits and pieces of old bikes, been pulled apart and reassembled to form a trailer.
And a big old box.
And my deck over there is built with old pallets.
Yep.
I've scrubbed clean, and it's getting a bit blown away at the moment. I think the wind's got to it and blown everything around.
And this is going to be a garden.
The garden's going to be built with old bits of corrugated iron chopped up.
And
some timber.
And I had a reaction to the guy.
So my stove's built with old bricks. The Channel 7 dude was really curious about my rocket stove. He said he's a pyromaniac. He's going to go and build one in his yard. And as soon as he saw it, he was Googling it to find out how to make them on his phone, sitting there. The cameraman's doing the filming, and Rod, the journalist, is over there Googling rocket stoves. Yeah, so this is the rocket stove. That's an old leftover bit of, I don't know, a grate from somewhere.
Gas stove.
Gas stove grate, yep. And an old feed the wood in there. Feed
I'll
the wood
see
in
when
there.
I'm looking at you, love. I'm going to go soon too.
That's my wood box there, which is an old box. I can show you inside my wood box.
Yeah, enjoy. Have a go.
I'll come up in a bit and have a chat with you if you're going to be around.
Bye, sweetie.
You can see all the stuff in here like this. Bob's your uncle. Got bamboo, old bamboo. Yeah, like that.
And you just use a lighter and some paper?
Plenty of newspaper and rubbish paper that people bring me and donate to me. Yeah. And I use my old pots.
Have you run out of like lighter fluid since you've been using?
No, because I use. I've got so many old lighters that I've found lying around the place, and if I see a lighter that nobody's loving, I grab it. And I use it so little. Once
just one little.
maybe once a day, or when I'm here, or twice a day when I'm here. It's me old water pot thingy, kettle. Yeah, it's a pretty good setup, really.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
You know what really interests me about you, Sam?
What?
Is when you're at a like counter or whatever, like when someone's serving you at like a supermarket or something, you refer to them by their name.
Yeah, I do that on purpose.
I know, but it weeks me out every time. You're like, see you later, Jared. I was like, what? Do you know someone there? But no, it was, he just knew the name from the name tag.
That's why the name tag's there.
I know. But no one else does that. At least no one that I know. And yeah, I don't know. Just the kind of casual way you say it is like,
I've known you for 3 years.
Exactly.
You comfy there?
Good morning. We are going out to Sugarshine with Jelly Bean and Sam, and we're gonna film out there today. I'm gonna help out, and yeah.
Hi everybody.
Look at this wiggly tail. Look at that wiggly tail going. Look at it go. You having fun there?
Mm-hmm.
Multitasking. I know,
so
they're so fast. Oh, cute.
Is Herb a sheep or a goat?
Sheep.
Because his fur is very different to Nemeth.
Yeah, just a different breed. You've had enough, sweetheart. You've had enough. Hey, sweetheart, what you doing? You alright? You alright, darling? You gonna try and steal my shoe, are you?
Hey,
I think he's in a playful mood.
you wanna play?
Hey, Charlie. What are you doing with your teeth? What are you doing with your teeth? From this angle, it looks like you're peeing into the water trough. Hey, Rosie Roo. What's up, sweetheart? What's up? You in a good mood or a bad mood today? Hey?
Do you think that's good, Amy? Or a little bit more?
As much as it can be filled without it overflowing. Barnabas! Bonnie! Hey, Sprat! Bonnie! Hello, gorgeous. You got some water on your face. And the piglet's playing in the water. Alright. Bet your party's going to try and sit in there. Can you move the hose off of the off of that water trough?
Yeah.
Alright. No, or not. Party's favourite thing is to sit in this water trough. Like lay in it. Oh, Lepardio! Don't bite the hose. Thanks, I need that.
You're welcome.
Hey Ruben, what are you doing? What are you doing, mate? Are you really Joel? Oh, Lemon. Lemon. You want some cuddles too? Do ya? Hey, Herb.